सफलता हमारा परिचय दुनिया से करवाती है और असफलता हमें दुनिया का परिचय करवाती है। जीत कर दिखाओ उनको जो तुम्हारी हार का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
Ever wondered why forests are often called the lungs of the earth? Well, it's because they play an indispensable role in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. By absorbing carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis, forests are quite literally breathing life into our planet. But forests are more than just massive oxygen factories. They are also home to an incredible diversity of life. A myriad of plants find their habitat in forests, from towering trees to tiny ferns, each playing a unique role in the ecosystem. Forests also provide shelter to a vast range of animal species, making them a hotspot of biodiversity. Now imagine if we lost these forests. That's where deforestation comes in. It's a process that's stripping the earth of its green cover, disrupting ecosystems, and contributing to climate change. So it's clear. Forests are not just a bunch of trees, but a lifeline for us and many other species. Have you ever thought about where all those animals you see on National Geographic live? They reside in the world's vast and diverse wild places, which are under threat due to human activity. Wildlife conservation is crucial to maintaining this biodiversity. It's more than just protecting individual species. It's about safeguarding complex ecosystems that support life on Earth. Now let's talk about biosphere reserves. These are protected areas that combine conservation of biodiversity with sustainable use. They're like nature's safety deposit boxes, safeguarding precious genetic diversity against the unpredictable changes of the future. Biosphere reserves have three main functions: conservation, development, and logistic support. Conservation involves protecting genetic resources, species, and ecosystems. Development seeks to foster sustainable economic and human development, and logistic support provides scientific research, monitoring, education, and training related to local, national, and global conservation issues. Just like us, animals need a home too, and these reserves ensure they have one. Do you know what it means to make the world greener, and can you be a part of it? From the lush Amazon rainforest to the dense jungles of Borneo, conservation projects worldwide are striving to protect and restore our precious green spaces. They are the lungs of our planet, and we're all in this together. In Australia, for instance, the 20 Million Trees program aims to plant 20 million trees by the year 2030. Across the ocean, in Africa, the Great Green Wall project is fighting desertification by planting a wall of trees across the continent. But it's not only about large-scale projects. You see, every single action counts, whether it's planting a tree in your backyard, supporting local conservation efforts, or simply reducing, reusing, and recycling. Your contribution matters. Remember, the future of our planet lies in our hands. Every tree planted, every conservation effort supported, brings us one step closer to a greener world. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the lifelines of our planet, the forests, and understood their vital importance. These green warriors are not just lush landscapes, but they're the lungs of our Earth, their leaves whispering the stories of life and survival. We've delved into wildlife conservation and the sanctuaries that are biosphere reserves. We've seen how they serve as a shield, protecting the delicate balance of life and biodiversity. And let's not forget our individual roles in making the world greener. Every tree planted, every waste item recycled, every conscious choice we make, it all adds up. It's in our hands to shape the future of our planet, to make sure the next generations inherit a world that's blooming and thriving. Want to learn more? Feel free to reach out to Anil Sir at the Students' Care Center at 9999060986. Remember, every action counts towards making our world a greener, healthier place to live.